Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Lindsay and you're watching my channel ASightToSee, and I wanted to show you guys what it's like right now in Las Vegas, specifically on the Strip and specifically what the nightlife is like, because that was something I was really curious about before coming here and I couldn't find too many videos about it, so let me show you. Alright you guys, so this isn't like my usual vlogs. The entirety of this video is street views over the course of Friday and Saturday night on the Strip and in casinos in Las Vegas. All over the world, cities are handling this pandemic differently, and before I go somewhere, I genuinely like to know what it's going to be like and what to prepare for before I pack my bags. I watched a lot of vlogs of people telling what their experience was like or showing the day, but I was curious if Las Vegas had its nightlife back. In short, Las Vegas is definitely busy on a weekend night. Bars and restaurants are open, but keep in mind basically everywhere is reservation only. There was a bar restaurant we passed while walking through the Venetian that had a girl outside trying to get people to come in, so you might get lucky if the place isn't already busy, but if you have your mind on a certain place or restaurant, I would definitely reserve a table a little while in advance. There are still street performers. We saw some people rapping, some playing the drums. There are showgirls walking around and people handing out cards with girls on them in case you want someone to read the Bible with in your room after a night of drinking. There are people dressed in Goofy and Minnie Mouse costumes and people selling fun lights. It's basically like nothing has changed, but a solid 85% of people were wearing masks. About 50% may have actually been wearing them correctly. Please don't use or fact check my statistics. In casinos, plastic dividers are put up in between people at tables, and most slots have every other seat taken away for social distancing. You'll find some with 2 seats next to each other, so you can sit with someone in your party. The casino workers will say something to you if you are not wearing your mask correctly or not wearing one at all. Some resorts like the Bellagio give them out for free. There were a few signs we saw while walking around the Venetian that said to limit your group to 4 people, but I'm not sure how enforced that is. I hope this video gave you a more clear insight as to what Las Vegas is really looking like right now in 2021 during this pandemic. I'm going to continue to let the rest of my street footage play, but thanks for watching and please smash that subscribe button if you are new here. Continue to travel safe and I will catch y'all on the next one.